my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank LUVWIN for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous salt and pepper wig to me. Y'all, it is so beautiful and these curls came straight out the bag. I did not have to style this wig at all, but if you guys want to see me install this wig and see all the goodies that come with it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. Hello, we have a LUVWIN wig today. All right, we got 2 hair clips, melting band, rat tail comb, and some wig caps. All right, now here is the wig we're working with today. We have a beautiful curly salt and pepper number. The curls look gorgeous. It's already in a side part for us, so here's a close-up on the lace. The lace looks really good. We got lace from ear to ear. We have 3 combs along the top, also a comb at the bottom, and an adjustable band. The cap is also a flexible cap with the grip around the perimeter, which will be really, really comfortable. All I'm gonna do off camera is I'm just gonna put some foundation on the lace off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna style this real quick. But yes, it looks really, really pretty. The curls are really bouncy. I will have the length to this wig and what size the lace is, like somewhere at the bottom of the screen, because I don't remember what it is off the top of my head. But yeah, so let's get into this baby. Okay, you guys, let me show you guys the back real quick. Okay, you guys, so oh my, look at this freaking wig, you guys. It looks so freaking pretty. All I did off camera was put a little foundation on the lace. And I took my wide tooth comb and just fluffed the hair out just a little bit, just like at the roots, just to give it a little bit more volume. But that is it. The curls look perfect. The wig is still glueless, you guys. Really, really easy peasy to put on. The curls are so freaking beautiful though. I love, love, love the curls on this wig. This wig is a perfect wig for, honestly, any occasion. If you guys like salt and pepper hair, you guys are gonna love this wig. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. But also for those of you who like maybe turning a little bit salt and pepper and you're not all the way salt and pepper and you're trying to like fill it out to see if you like it, I definitely think that you guys should try this wig out and embrace the salt and pepper of it all, because it really is just stunning. It really is just stunning. and I enjoy these salt and pepper wigs so much. But the bounce on these curls is just so freaking pretty. I love how they already had it in a side part for us, so I didn't have to part it. I barely even had to do anything. Oh, and I also hot combed my part out just a little bit as well. But that is it, you guys. This wig was so super easy to put on. It's low maintenance, it's perfect. It's definitely beginner friendly. It's glueless. You can throw this baby on and off in seconds, you guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. But yes, so glueless, it is always nice to have a glueless unit. And you can also, if you're one of the girls that don't like to wear them glueless, you can definitely glue them down if you like. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy, convenient, and quick this wig can be, okay? So yes, I will have all the details to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check out the description box. There'll be a discount code in there as well. Also, in the comments, drop the comments and let me know how you guys feel. Are you guys feeling this wig? Is it cute? Y'all wearing salt and pepper hair? Are you guys wearing salt and pepper for fun, or are you guys going half gray? Like, what's going on in your head? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Thank you again, LUVWIN, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.